So hi everyone, myself Pritesh Desai, a true Mumbaiker by heart. I'm a commerce graduate specialized in accounting and finance from Nangindas Khanwala College, Mumbai. I have also completed my CFP certification, Certified Financial Planner certification, which is a professional certification when it comes to financial planning and wealth management. And immediately after my graduation, I joined Arthashastra Investment Managers Private Limited, which is a company in Mumbai into wealth management and financial planning, handling products like mutual funds, insurance, and portfolio management services. I worked there for 3 months as an intern, and later they hired me as a full-time sales executive. And I worked there for another 15 months. And yes, here I am as in SDA Poconi to explore my inner potential, and I'm really excited. Coming to the campus, meeting you all, and yes, apart from this, you will always find me cooking, trying out some new recipes because when Pritesh is tired, he'll not rest, he'll not sleep, he'll not binge watch, but yes, he will cook, he will try out some new recipes always. Uh, and yes, I'm a big fan of Ranveer Brar. Yes, people are fond of actors, but yes, I'm a big fan of a chef. Yeah, so this is all about me. So I feel that my biggest strength is I'm always curious in learning new things. I feel that learning is a never-ending process, and any task assigned to me is never unfinished, even if the circumstances are not in my favor. And I feel that my biggest weakness is I sometimes, while making decisions, I take it too emotionally, which sometimes does not lead to a desired result. I will make sure that this weakness will soon be converted into my strength to be a part of Placecom, because I feel that I come with that professional attitude which will help me in representing SDA Bocconi Asia Center to the industry leaders, to the Bocconi alumni. And yes, it will help me in enhancing my networking skills, understanding the job market better, growing myself personally and professionally. So I should be selected as a part of Placecom because I feel that I have that qualities of multitasking, effective communication, and time management, because it all comes with experience. Yes. So during my graduation days, I was the chairperson for my events, handling a team of around 100 to 150 odd people. I was the mode of communication between the principal, coordinator, and the students. I have attended various sponsorship meets, raised money for my events. I was in charge for my finances for entire academic year. And yes, I have represented my college in numerous other colleges, taking my team. And even during my work experience, as the company was small, the exposure there was pretty huge. I have done sales, client acquisition activities. I have attended the fund manager meet, understanding their ideology towards the market and the economy, explaining this all to the clients. The Placecom member which I have interacted with is Shreyansh Mittal. I don't know if he remembers, but actually Bukuni used to organize info sessions before the admissions. So I met him there. There only I came to know that he was in Placecom. And yes, he was very helpful. I asked him many questions, and we also connected on LinkedIn. So yes, thank you, Shreyansh. What that keeps me awake are the unfinished tasks, because I have that very good habit of noting things down, the to-do list in the morning itself. So yes, thank you very much. That's all about me, and you will always have this smile with the hard-working attitude. Thank you.